What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about my $1,716 trade on ticker NKLA. 2793 is my account number. I'm showing you this because it's real profits. I don't want you to think that these are this is paper trading accounts or these are paper trading profits. This is a real trade, real profits. It shows that I have one contract here for 100% profit still open, and that's because I do. At the time of making this video, I am still currently in the trade. So having that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about the setup. This was a pre-market gap up on bullish news that they partnered with GM to make electric vehicles. Here's the deal. It gapped up from 35 up to 54. What is that telling us? That is telling us that if this opens up lower than 54, it at least has a profit margin, right, or a profit target to run to that 54 mark. It doesn't have to happen, but it looked good because it dipped down, right? So if this had opened up at around 54, I likely wouldn't have taken the trade, but because it pushed up, this is showing us it has potential to get to this spot, but it's currently on a dip, and I always like to take trades on a dip entry. So it pulled back, started to consolidate. If we go to my Discord server, day trade watch list, NKLA was a long over 48 with a price target of 55, right? Posted at 607 before market open. So why 48? Well, that was the level that all of this price action was occurring underneath, right? So the majority of this price action, it did have resistance here at 47, but that felt a little too tight, right? So I wasn't going to set the trigger at 47 because it could easily pop over 47 and then come right back down and fake us out. So 48 felt like the stronger level. There's not as much resistance from 48 up to about 51, 52 area. So we liked 48 as a trigger. Unfortunately, it didn't open up and go immediately green, right? We see that it tested 48 perfectly and went red. And so it started to pull back here. We entered the trade rather than waiting for this to come all the way down or go all the way back up to 48. I alerted this to the team that we could take an entry at 46 instead. So why 46? Because what I was doing was splitting this price action here and the opening price, right? So it opened right here at 46. First 5-minute candle closed down here at 44.50 area. And so I figured if this could get back over that opening price, we may have an uptrend. Additionally, what I like to do is draw a downward trend line on downtrends across the tops of candles, right? So this is not going to be perfect, but you can get an idea of what I was looking at here. So I'm going to connect the initial rally to the second rally here before pre-market, and so that's going to be my 2 points that I'm drawing this trend line at, and then this is going to intersect right here at or around 46. So I'm not too worried about this breaking, 45.73. I'd rather see it break the whole number, break the opening price. On this, at this same time, we had increasing volume here, right? Do you see how this volume's kind of consolidating a little bit? When it starts to get back up to 46, that's where we have this increasing volume happen. So increased volume, break over 46, break over the downward trend line, break over the consolidation zone and the opening price, and here's your move up to the top side. This currently is trading at 50, but we were able to take about 140% profit off the top side of this trade. And let's show you, okay, my profits, 7:37 a.m. is whenever I posted this. $1,716. Easy trade breakdown. It's not so easy to trade it real time, but if you know what you're looking for and you have multiple signals for confirmation, such as a downward trend line break, such as increasing volume, such as an opening price break, that's more signals giving you the okay to go ahead and take the trade, right? So you're always going to be assuming risk, but when you can assume risk with as much backing as possible, you likely are on the correct side of the trade. That's it, guys. That's all that I have. I hope that this has been beneficial to you. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, comment below if you have anything specific that you would like me to review or make a video on, and I'll do that for you in the future. Thanks, guys. Thank you for your time.